Hey mate, how you doing?
Tom, we need a film made.
Yeah, cool. Alright, well, what are you thinking?
We need to show that we're back open and we're running courses with social distancing enforced.
Awesome, great idea. Get people, coming back in as restrictions ease off. Look, when can I come in to film it?
No, mate, look, we're not open yet, so you can't film it.
Cool. Alright, well, what'd you have in mind then?
Do you reckon you can make us a new film about 1 to 1.5 minutes long, only using stuff we've already filmed, nothing new?
Right, cool, yeah.
You're the best. Just remember, we can't use any footage where people are closer than 1.5 meters or in large groups.
This means I don't have to shave before coming into work, right?
I guess.
Great. So that was the challenge. Create a film without filming any new content showcasing the client's social distancing scuba diving courses featuring a dive with seals. Which, by the way, for your open water certification is unreal. And this is what we came up with.
It looks pretty nice. We're about to jump in the water for our first skills dive. So let's go.
We are back open, running scuba courses that follow social distancing guidelines. If you want to learn how to scuba dive, there is no better time than now. Our new 22-person boat will be running at under half capacity to ensure that we are all appropriately distanced. Try telling that to the seals. That's right, we're offering Learn to Scuba courses with some furry friends. For not filming anything new, that was pretty epic. Now, I'm sure that if you go through your old drives and your old projects, you will find a lot of footage that you've never used. And your clients, probably much like mine, are suffering with coronavirus and might be looking for fresh content to be made that they can release the second they open their doors. Now is not a bad time to go through some of those old drives and potentially contact some of your clients with film ideas much like this. Until next time. Also, how dope is this editing space? I lied. I don't edit it. That would be unpractical.